Very quiet. The birdies are going to come and eat their food. I see a red bird out there. Yeah, the birds. Where's the birds, Bryson? Look, out here. We already fed them. Come on. There they are. You see the birdies? Bryson, I see the birds. Can you see them? No, I see the red bird. Red bird. What? Yeah, you like the birds, huh? Oh, there's red bird. Go look out the other window, Bryson. Bryson, there's red bird. That window. Bryson. Bryson. In here. Come here. Follow mommy. Come look out this window. Come look out this one. Over here. Go ahead. Bryson. Go look out that window right there. Go look out right here. Over here, this window. Look at this window. You can see the birdies. Come on. Come see. Come see. Here, let me hold your bagel. I hold your bagel. You look out the window. You see anything yet? Do you see any birds yet? All right, here's your bagel. Guess who's going to come over today? Hey, what is that? That's pretty. Pretty. Here's a birdie. Look at the birdie right here. Here's a birdie. Bird. What? What do you want? Are you all done with your bagel? Stroller? You want to go in a stroller, huh? We'll go for a walk after Mommy has her coffee, okay? Okay?